utopian. The sky is blue, and the players are with us for a football match. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to attend this most special of...
Massive lead! Goal!
Some of the best managers I played for insisted on...
Iniesta. It's being played forward, and it's got through. And he's onside! Towering header! He scores!
To another level with his desire to get back and help everyone out.
And here's Rashford. It's Rashford! And it's there! All too easy. They are in danger. And the whistle goes to half-time.
As easy as one. But there's a spectacular turnaround.
It really has been an astonishing game, peppered with goals. You cannot help feeling that the second half will supply more. So we're just settling back. Rashford. Ball through needs to be good here. He's had a shot! And yes, it's there! Yet
He got caught in a trap there, and he just couldn't get out.
It's Vieira. Fires from distance. Oh, my word, that is fantastic! Sumptuous finish, an absolute joy! Well, surely that completes the demolition, if it hadn't occurred already.
Well, I wasn't expecting them to go this big, Peter, but they have been superb. Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Iniesta plays it backwards, shoots! He has got it! Well, just another one to add to what has already been an incredible haul.
Yeah, by the looks of it, there may be still more to come. Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition looked completely stunned. I'm not sure.
Good defending and indecisive passing. No progress. Messi! Oh, taken with style! A contest no more. It is nothing short of utter humiliation. So here comes the substitution. So we have a double substitution going on here. Tries to get it forward quickly. Rashford. Has a pop! No mistake! This is as ruthless as it gets. Loose ball, who's going to get that? Great strength, too strong for his opponent. And there goes the final